Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a wind vane. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need a sturdy wooden dowel, approximately 12 inches in length, to form the central shaft. Also, prepare 2 pieces of lightweight cardboard or thin plastic for crafting the arrow and tail. For the base, a plastic bottle or a small wooden block will work perfectly. Don't forget a drinking straw, a pushpin, and some strong adhesive or tape to secure everything together. Now, let's construct the base for your wind vane. Begin by securely attaching your chosen base, whether it's a plastic bottle or a wooden block, to a flat, stable surface. This ensures your vane remains upright. Next, carefully create a small hole in the very center of the bottle cap or the wooden block. It's crucial that this hole is just wide enough to allow your wooden dowel to spin freely without excessive wobbling. This stable base is fundamental for accurate wind direction readings. Moving on to the vane assembly, carefully cut your cardboard or plastic into an arrow shape for the front and a larger, flat fin for the tail. Use strong adhesive or tape to firmly attach these pieces to opposite ends of your drinking straw. The next critical step is to insert a pushpin directly through the exact center of the straw. This point will be the pivot. Take a moment to ensure the arrow and tail are well balanced, allowing the straw to pivot effortlessly with the slightest breeze. For the final touches and testing, carefully place the pushpin with your assembled straw and vane onto the very top of the wooden dowel. It's essential that the straw spins freely on the dowel, minimizing any friction. Next, add clear directional markers, north, south, east, and west, around the base of your wind vane. You can use a compass to orient these correctly. Finally, take your completed wind vane outdoors and observe how it responds to the wind, pointing accurately in the direction the wind is blowing from.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.